Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last video we have talked about the Expo route and we talk about how to navigate from one screen to another screen. But we don't talk about the layout file. We already know about what is the index file and how does index file work. But in this video I'm going to explain what is layout and what is stack, what is slot. I will show you how they work together. So let's start with the practical. I do not want to waste your time. I already run the project. Let me reload the app first. And first I'm going to show you, this is my app screen, you can see, and we have inside this we have a layout file and index file. First I'm going to tell you what is the difference between stack and slot. When you click to the first screen, you can see the header also and the animation. Navigating to the first screen, you are seeing the sliding animation. So this is because of what? Because of the stack we can see these animations. When I change this stack to the return, so to change to the slot, so now you are not seeing anything. Because of what? Because the slot is the unstyled stack. Okay, so there is no any style in this stack. Now you can see when I click to the first screen, you can navigate to the first screen, but we do not see anything. Let me reload it again, and when I click to the third screen, you are going to navigate to the third screen, but you do not see anything. Because of what? Because of the slot. So now I'm going to uncomment again. So now I'm going to show you what is the layout. So now you can see we have a first screen, second screen, index file and layout file, and also we have a third screen also, and in the third folder we have an index file also. So when you create a layout file inside the folder, that file control all the screen inside this folder. Now we have a layout file, so these all screen dependent on this layout file. Okay, because of what? Because of this tag. Okay, inside the third screen we have an index file, and this file also searching about the layout. So now I'm going to show you how this layout file actually do. So for that I'm going to create one layout file inside the third folder for you guys. Okay, layout.tsx, and let me import this snippet and save it. And also I'm going to add the styling to these things, and this is my style. Let me add it. Okay, and this is my text. Let me add the text styling also, and let me copy. We do not change anything, we only create one layout file inside the third folder. In the last time when you click to a third screen, we are going to navigate to a third screen, but now when I click to a third screen, I will not navigate to a third screen, I will navigate to the layout. Because of what? Because of this layout. You can see, because of this layout, because we create these inside this folder, all the file will be depending on this layout. So when I create another screen also inside this, let me show you, and fourth screen.tsx, and let me like this, and I'm going to the index.ts file, and let me click this, and when I search about, this is my fourth screen. When I click this, so now I'm going to the index.ts file again, and when I click to the fourth screen, this is the fourth one, fourth screen. So when I click to the fourth screen, I will navigate to the fourth screen, but now we are not navigated to the fourth screen. Because of what? Because of this layout file. You can see we only navigate to the layout screen because of this layout, because we do not add any stack in this. When I add the stack in this, okay, like this stack from the Expo route, so now when I save it, so now you can see when I click to the fourth screen, I will navigate to the fourth screen, but we have two headers. Because of what? Because we add the two stack and one navigator. Now I'm going to show you how can we off the headers, and also how can we change the animation and all the things. So let me remove this layout also, and let me save this. So now we have a fourth screen, you can see. So now I'm going to show you how can we change the animation of the screens, and we are going to change the, first we have a screen options. This is the screen option. Inside the screen option we have a header shown, header, we have a header show, this is the header shown, and just add the false and save it. So now you do not see any header also. You can see we hide all the headers like this, you can see. If you want to add only on the specific screen, so for that we need to, let me remove this and let me make it like, we do not make it like this, we just make it just type a stack, and now we have a, just make it like a import stack dot screen like this, and we can make a, let me save it, name. Inside the name we can type the first screen, let me show you the first screen, and options. Inside the option we can have a header shown, just make it false like this and save it. When I click to the first screen, now I will not see any header like this, you can see. And if you want to change any animation, so for this screen, animation, and inside the animation we have a slide from the left. This is the iOS one, let me add it another one, fade from the bottom, you can see. If I go to the back, if I click to the first screen again, you can see fade from the bottom, you can see like this. And we can also change it to the other also, let me show you, from the simple push like this, and when I click this, it's same like a push. And if I have a from the right side, you can see, if I click this, it will become from the right side, you can see. And when I click, this is all about the layout and what is the difference between the stack and slot. And also we know about how to change the animation of the screen and header. In the next video I will show you the bottom tabs and how can we combine the stack with the bottom tabs. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.